Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video, provided that you are a freelancer. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, provided that you are a freelancer on Fiverr and you are missing a lot of buyer requests or buyer messages, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to stop losing order and how you can find hidden buyer message or buyer request on Fiverr without any stress. Let me show you how. For everyone using Android phone, just go to your Play Store, then go ahead and click on search and click on search app and type in Fiverr. Then hit on search. For everyone using iPhone, go to your App Store and search for Fiverr. After the successful search for Fiverr, go ahead and make sure you click on this one right here, Fiverr Freelance Service, and make sure you download and install this app right here. After the successful download and install, click on open, and then it's going to load you to an interface, ask you to log in with your username and password. After the successful login to your username and password, and then it's going to take you to your Fiverr account right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is go ahead, proceed to your box right here. So from your box right here, you see your primary box right here. All your conversation is going to be old right here. But however, not every buyer message are coming straight into this page right here. So how can you filter some of other hidden buyer message? What you need to do right here is to get on this point right here. Click on these three dots from the top right here. Then you see more options right here. You have steered, you have Anki, you have span. Always check your Anki. There is nothing right here, okay? Go back to these three dots right here and then check your spam message. There are sometimes buyer message go to spam right here, just like so. And quite a lot number of people are not aware of this. And if any messages get to here and you did not check, you are likely to miss the order, just like so. Then go ahead and click on this three again. Then you can also check your volume up right here and all that. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Fiverr topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.